Imagine this. You wake up, scroll through Instagram, and see another 22-year-old driving a Lamborghini. You roll your eyes and think, what a scam. But what if I told you it's not always luck or daddy's money? What if these people have tapped into skills so valuable that the world basically throws cash at them? Over the next few minutes, I'm revealing 12 high-income skills that are practically cheat codes, and most of them don't even require a degree. Because the truth is, most people trade time for money. The wealthy, they master skills that multiply money. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which skill to start with and how to turn it into serious income. This is going to be one of the most important videos you watch today because you'll see why these 12 skills are so powerful and exactly how you can start mastering them, even if your bank account looks like it's on life support. Let's dive in. Skill number 1, sales copywriting, printing money with words. All right, now for starters. Here's a little secret. The richest people in the world, they're not just selling products, they're selling emotions. They know how to write words that make people take action. Buy, click, sign up, whatever. And don't worry, it's all going to make sense by the time you watch this entire video as I break it down. Basically, copywriting is the art of selling with words. And no, it's not writing essays or blogging about your lunch every day. It's writing in a way that makes people want to buy. Think emails, ads, landing pages. Those words are worth millions when done right. Here's a real-life example. A copywriter once charged $25,000 for a single sales letter. Why? Because that letter generated millions for the company. That's the kind of leverage we're talking about. Why the wealthy love it. No inventory, no degree required. Just you, your laptop, and the ability to persuade. And the good news is I got a simple solution for you. Read legendary copywriting books like Breakthrough Advertising. Start practicing writing ads for products you love. Post them online. Offer your services to small businesses. Before you know it, you're charging $5,000 a project. Copywriters don't just write words, they print money. Meanwhile, you're still writing Instagram captions for free, but words are just the beginning. The next skill? It's all about talking your way into 5 figures, sometimes on a single phone call. Skill number 2, high-ticket closing, selling without sleaze. Okay, look, forget the sleazy used car salesman stereotype. High-ticket closers are trusted advisors who help clients make big decisions, often over the phone or Zoom. These closers aren't just selling $50 products. They're closing $10,000, $50,000, heck, even $100,000 deals, and earning commissions that make a 9-to-5 paycheck look like spare change. Which, I don't know about you, but to me, that's a hell of a lot better than clocking in every morning 5 days a week. And to this day, I know a guy who works from his kitchen table and makes $20,000 a month just by hopping on a few calls a day. No office, no suit, just skill. Why the wealthy love it? It's simple. High commission, low effort. Scalable, because once you're good, you can train others. It's persuasion at its highest level. Here's a little mini step that you can easily start today. Learn from legends like Dan Lok or Jeremy Miner on YouTube. Practice by selling low-ticket items first, then move up. Confidence comes with reps. High-ticket closers close deals while wearing pajamas. And you thought the rich wore suits 24/7? Speaking of persuasion, what if I told you there's a skill that lets you earn more by doing less? Sounds like magic, but it's real. Let's talk about number 3. Skill number 3, negotiation. The art of winning without fighting. Watch this. You know that feeling when you score a discount at a store? Now imagine doing that with real estate, contracts, and investments worth millions. That's negotiation. Negotiation isn't arguing. It's politely saying, I'm richer because you blinked first. And what do I mean by this? Well, let's clear something up. Wealthy people don't just accept the first offer. They negotiate everything, because every dollar saved is a dollar earned. Real life example. Mark Cuban once said he saved over $1 million in his career just by negotiating small deals aggressively. That's not small change. Why the wealthy love it? It's applicable everywhere. Business, salaries, investments. It compounds. Every deal you negotiate better increases your wealth. Here's a book that literally changed everything for me. Read Never Split the Difference by Chris Voss. Practice on small stuff, like negotiating your phone bill or car insurance, then build from there. Before we continue, when you finish watching this video, go back and watch our series on financial freedom and the stealth wealth mindset in order to truly start living a life of abundance. As always, Make sure to subscribe to the channel and consider becoming a member to stay updated. But anyways, saving money is just the start. The next skill, it's how wealthy people turn their ideas into unstoppable businesses without doing all the work themselves. Skill number 4, delegation and leadership, building money machines. All right, now here's a mistake I see thousands of folks make all the time that just doesn't work anymore. They try to do everything themselves. The wealthy, they build teams, they delegate, they lead. Delegation isn't about being lazy, it's about multiplying your time. Think about it. If you pay someone $20 an hour to do a task while you work on something that makes $200 an hour, you're winning. Real life example. Jeff Bezos doesn't pack Amazon boxes. He simply hires people to do that, while he focuses on vision and strategy. Why the wealthy love it? They buy back their time. They create systems that make money without them. Here's what I want you to try and do. Hire a virtual assistant for small tasks. Learn how to give clear instructions. Over time, build a team, even if it's just freelancers at first. And once you have a team, the next skill is how you make the world notice you without being annoying. Skill number 5, personal branding, turning yourself into an asset. Wealthy people know that their name can become a brand worth millions. Elon Musk, Gary Vee, even Mr. Beast, their brands as much as their people. Your personal brand is basically your online dating profile for money. Make it irresistible. It is about building a reputation so strong that opportunities chase you, clients come to you, investors trust you. Real life example, Kylie Jenner built a billion-dollar empire largely on her brand, not just the products. Why the wealthy love it? It's the ultimate trust builder. It attracts money without chasing it. Here's what you can do. Post content online around what you're good at. Share tips, build authority. People pay attention to consistency. But having a strong brand isn't enough. You need to make that brand work for you, which brings us to skill number 6. Skill number 6, digital marketing, controlling the online money flow. You know what's better than working hard? Working smart by using the internet to make your money move while you sleep. We now live in the world of AI and social media, where digital marketing is the engine behind almost every online millionaire. Things like ads, funnels, SEO, email campaigns, these are the tools the wealthy use to multiply income with minimal effort. Real life example. Ever wonder why that one product keeps popping up on your Instagram feed? That's not a coincidence. It's digital marketing. And that ad campaign might have made its creator millions while you were scrolling memes. Why the wealthy love it? It scales infinitely. It's measurable. You can track every dollar spent versus earned. You can dominate a market without even owning a storefront. Here's an easy step to get started. Learn Facebook ads, Google ads, or email marketing. Offer to run campaigns for small businesses. Every dollar you make for them, you'll earn a cut. Okay, but what happens when all those leads flood in? You need the next skill to turn that attention into unstoppable growth. Skill number 7, networking, the $1 million Rolodex. Here's a secret most people never learn until it's too late. And for the members of the channel, you've heard me say it before. Your network is your net worth. If you've been following our financial freedom playlist, you already know. Wealthy people don't just collect contacts, they build relationships that open doors you didn't even know existed. Deals, partnerships, insider opportunities, they all come from knowing the right people. I've said this over and over again. It's not about what you know, it's about who you know. Real life example. A single lunch meeting landed a startup founder $2 million in funding. That's the power of networking. Why the wealthy love it? It opens doors money can't, brings opportunities faster than any job application, leverages other people's resources, knowledge, and reach. Here's a step literally anyone can start doing today. Attend local business meetups. Connect genuinely on LinkedIn. Offer value before asking for anything. Build relationships that matter. And speaking of opportunities, what if you could spot them before anyone else does? The next skill is how the wealthy do exactly that. Skill number 8, financial literacy and investing. Want to know why so many lottery winners go broke? They never learned this skill. Financial literacy is understanding how money really works and how to make it grow. This includes investing, managing risk, and making money work for you. Real life example. Warren Buffett turned a small $10,000 investment into billions. not through luck, but because he mastered how money compounds over time. Why the wealthy love it. It multiplies wealth without extra effort. It protects against financial disasters. It separates the rich from the rich for now. So how do you make that happen? Don't worry, I'll give you a strategy that you can start applying very easily. But before you start applying this strategy, learn basic investing, index funds, real estate, dividend stocks. Then level up into advanced strategies. Knowledge compounds just like money. But investing isn't just about money. It's also about investing in the one thing most people ignore until it's too late. Skill number 9, emotional intelligence, winning the game of people. Please listen to me carefully because I want to give you a golden piece of advice. Money flows to those who can manage themselves and others. Emotional intelligence, EQ, is the ability to read a room, stay cool under pressure, and influence without force. Real-life example. CEOs aren't always the smartest people in the room. They're the ones who can unite teams, handle conflict, and make tough calls without losing their cool. Why the wealthy love it. Helps close deals, builds powerful relationships, turns chaos into opportunity. Oh, and I got another book I need you to dive into. Read Emotional Intelligence 2.0. Practice active listening. Respond, don't react. This skill pays off in every area of life. Now, emotional smarts are great, but combine them with the next skill and you'll have a superpower most people only dream about. Skill number 10, public speaking, commanding attention, and cash. Guess what? If you can stand up, speak confidently, and move a crowd, you can write your own checks. Public speaking is a skill the wealthy exploit to build influence and authority. To be honest, I don't know why I haven't already covered this in any of our recent videos, but here's a real-life example. Tony Robbins charges $10,000 plus per person for seminars. Thousands attend. Do the math. That's the power of speaking. Why the wealthy love it. Positions you as a leader instantly. Multiplies opportunities. People remember speakers, can be monetized in endless ways. Here's an easy way to go about doing all of this. Join Toastmasters or practice on YouTube. Start small, get comfortable, and work your way to commanding rooms full of people. But speaking is just one way to influence. The next skill? It's how the wealthy turn influence into unstoppable momentum. Skill number 11, strategic thinking, playing 4D chess. Now it's time for me to give you a serious wake-up call, so pay attention. While most people focus on the next paycheck, wealthy people think 5, 10, 20 moves ahead. Strategic thinking is the ability to anticipate trends, plan long-term, and outmaneuver competition. Real-life example. Apple didn't just create phones. They built an entire ecosystem, locking you into buying Apple products for life. Strategic? Absolutely. Why the wealthy love it. Creates opportunities no one else sees. Protects against risks. Builds empires, not just income. Here's your next step. Study case studies of successful companies. Ask yourself, why did they do this? Start applying that mindset to your own decisions. And finally, the last skill is the glue that ties all of this together. Without it, the other 11 skills mean nothing. Skill number 12, discipline, the silent superpower. I need you to understand this clearly, because here's the truth no one wants to hear. None of these skills matter without discipline. Wealthy people show up consistently, even when it's boring, hard, or uncomfortable. Real-life example. Arnold Schwarzenegger didn't become a millionaire because of muscles. He became one because of discipline. Bodybuilding, acting, real estate, he stuck to the grind when others quit. Why the wealthy love it. It's the foundation of success. It turns good intentions into results. It's free, yet rare. Now I got a plan for you to get started. Pick one skill from this list and commit to practicing it every day for 30 days. Build the habit. The results will shock you. Because if discipline were sold on Amazon, it'd be out of stock, and Jeff Bezos would be even richer. Bottom line, here's the deal. Wealthy people don't just work harder, they work smarter. They learn skills the average person never even thinks about. These skills turn ideas into empires, words into millions, and time into freedom. But keep in mind, these were just 12 high-income skills that the wealthy use to build empires while others stay stuck. Here's the kicker. You don't need to master all 12 at once. Pick one, get good, then stack the next. These skills compound, just like money. You can stay where you are, trading hours for dollars, or you can start learning skills that make dollars chase you. Now here's what I want you to do. Pick one skill from this video, just one, and start learning it today. Drop in the comments which one you're committing to, or just comment the words high-income skills, so I know who all paid attention. And honestly, if you're truly serious about building wealth, there is actually a copy and paste strategy that we created to give you a step-by-step guide on how to build wealth the lazy way. Just click the video on the screen now, and we'll see you in the next one.